Welcome to shinesexcel seating, and this is another template for school exam, and it has only one option, seating arrangement. I am going to show you how to use this template, and the link for downloading this template is available in the description. If you want to add any other features, you can contact us at the mobile number and also the email ID provided in the description. Also, we provide seating templates for colleges and many additional features. And here I'm going to show you one by one what are the things you have to do. Generally, it is divided into two sessions: admin corner and the print corner. The admin corner is the basic setup. Everything should be done. And the special thing of this template is even you will enter the timetable, you will enter the student's name, subject name, and before the day of exam, just by entering the date, you will fetch all the details. Then you allocate the students in the hall. The first thing you have to do is design the hall. Enter your hall number and its capacity, and enter here the classes. Since it is for school, I have entered 6A, 6B, 60 with the sessions. Here there is an option for entering up to 30 classes. If you want to increase it, we can do that. You can just contact us. After entering these details, come to subject entry. In this place provided, you enter all the subjects which you have for the students. You have to enter all the subjects. Move to the home page. After this, enter the name list of the students. Here enter their name, the roll number, and to which class they belong, that is 6A or 6B, like that, and what are the subjects they have in that particular semester or in that particular year. Here there is a provision for entering up to 8 subjects. I hope the students will not get more than 8. If you want to add more than 8, we can do that. You can just contact us. Like this, enter all the students. Here there is a provision for entering up to more than 3,000. 3,500 students could be entered in this place. We can do that. After entering all the such details, I am moving to the home page. Now it's time to enter the timetable. Here enter the day, month and year. After entering, this will be displayed 6th February 2023, and I am selecting the class and the subject GK, and the second class, that is the second class and their subject, the third class and their subject, fourth class, fifth class, sixth class. Here there is a provision for entering up to 50 classes: 6A, 6B, 6C, 7A, 7B, 7C, like that. You can enter that much of classes here based on the date. Now the enter date is 6/2/2023. I have entered only one date for your reference. I am going back. I am moving to the seating arrangement, or I am moving to the theory seating. Here enter the details and enter the date of the exam. The exam is on 6th to 2023. From the timetable entered, it has fetched the details. This is the detail fetched by it, and it shows 6A has GK, 6B Telugu, 6C Hindi. These are the subjects on that particular day. Now click next. Sorry, it is reference is invalid. I'm moving to the home page again, going to the seating arrangement. Here select the hall number, hall 1, and you have the exam for 3 departments. 6A has GK, so I'm entering here 6A has GK. Totally 18 students. Here the total capacity of the hall is 24. I'm entering 12 students. Yes, see, after immediately entered the numbers, these things get displayed here. And now I am entering the second one, 6th B has Telugu, as it is displayed here. I am selecting the Telugu. and it has 12 children. Now see, the things have got displayed here. Now I'm moving to the next page, hall 2, and the class is in 6A has 6 students, so 6A GK 6, and 6C is in the and 12 students, so 12 plus 6 18 students been filled here, and everything is turned 0, so the 2 halls we have filled all the students. Now to print this, you can press Command P or Control P if you are using MacBook. So I'm going to print the first 2 pages. I'm going to show you the preview of those 2 pages. So this is the first page, second page, and other pages are empty because we haven't have the students to those pages. So this is a very simple setup, and you can get this template at a very cheaper rate. The cost starts from 300 per year, and if you want to have any other features like seating attendance sheet or any other things, we can do that. Thanks for watching.